guys, Berto with Apex Customs here. Behind me here we have a 1987 Toyota Supra MK3. Customer started this build, he couldn't quite finish it, got in over his head. He did have the engine built already. He had the standalone, so it's an AEM Infinity Series 5. We went ahead and rewired the whole car, did a custom fuse box, did billet valve covers, we G35 Garrett turbo, which is good for about 1,000 horsepower. All the charge piping is all custom mounted intercooler, full stainless 3-inch exhaust, dual wide bands, all the sheet metal work we've done here in-house, all the mounting components, the coolant reservoir, the sway bars. We got full adjustable coilovers on this. So the whole fuel system's been done as well. It's got a Walbro 450 fuel pump in it, Aeromotive fuel regulator, 1050 injectors. We got custom tuned by All Out Tuning. Pretty cool 2-step and launch control on this car. Sounds amazing. All right, so on to the body work of this car. This thing came in pretty rough shape. Did a custom 3-inch wide body on this on each side. So you notice we got rid of all the moldings. We also did the sleepy eye look on this, these headlights, so that's as far as they come out. We just did some LED light bars in there. We did the Toyota Supra turboed wing in the back as well. This is actually a factory blue for this Supra. So we blocked the whole car out, painted it, and now it looks amazing. So this guy being in and over his head, he came to us to finish the build, right? And now he's gonna come pick it up. He's more than happy with all the stuff we've done in this car. I'm sure he's gonna be back for more. Yeah, so if you guys have any sort of builds like this, you get in over your head where you guys can't quite finish them, we bring it here and we can finalize everything. So come see us at Apex Customs.